When you were a kid, did you try mixing chemicals hoping to get an explosion? Figuring out some formula for something smelly that you could share with others? Well, in Excel, you can create formulas too, and they might get smelly, they're wrong, or even explode. Some error condition. As we've seen in a prior video, if you start typing your data in a cell with an equal sign or a plus, Excel might think you're pointing to another cell. It's like an Irish setter pointing to the duck. Go get it, boy! So let's try a formula. No, leave the duck alone. At the bottom of the first column of numbers, I'll type equals sum and open parentheses. Then I'll use the mouse to select the columns above. There's the total of 2, 3, and 4. This is called a formula. You can see the formula in the formula bar and see the results in the cell. In the column to the right, I will use the equal sign and use the arrow to point to the left with the arrow key. It shows the cell number A4. It has copied the value of the column A and not recalculated the formula like I hoped. This is important. If I want to sum the values of column B, I need to copy and paste the formula from A4 to B4, which I can do with Control-C and Control-V or use the mouse and right-click. Now the formula is adjusted to sum the values in column B. I can sum the two sum amounts in a new cell. I can either add them together as we've done previously or do sum again. In this case, I'll add the two with equals A4 plus B4. If you change the source data, the results of the formula changes with it. And the formula that is based on the other formula is changed too. It has a trickle-down effect. Sum is a function, one of many Excel functions available to you. Check the Formulas tab on the ribbon. There are mathematical, date, text, logical, financial, and many more functions. There are literally hundreds of them. Learning how to use functions expertly would take a couple of days of class or a lot of self-study and experimentation. Be aware that formulas border on the realm of programming at a certain point, and for that, you may have to think like a programmer. Or think like a mad scientist and mix up some awesome formulas. Just please turn on the exhaust fan and make sure you wear goggles. Check out the link attached to this video pointing to Microsoft Formula documentation.